boxcar is a kind of rail car. It gets its name because it looks just like a box. Boxcars have steel wheels that run along a steel track. They also have sliding doors and the name of the company they belong to.
Boxcars carry all kinds of things, like coal, grain, furniture, toys, and sometimes even people.
Do you think you can draw a boxcar? Let's try. First, draw a rectangle. Next, add the wheels. Don't forget those sliding doors. And the name of your rail company. Send your boxcar to education@sdmrm.org, and the San Diego Model Railroad Museum will share it on their Facebook page. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to tell us what's inside.